Conveyor Caster delivers turnkey solutions that enhance customers' material flow and safety, enabling greater levels of productivity and a more profitable future. We are experts in material handling and storage products, with over 60 years of trusted service and technical experience. Our industry-leading solutions include conveyors, automating the simple to complex movement of materials; casters, keeping equipment rolling safely and efficiently; racking, creating optimized storage throughout your facility; wire partitions, to enhance security and machine safety; cabinets, workstations, mezzanines, and in-plant offices, maximizing storage and workspace potential; ergonomic handling products, for safer lifting and movement of materials; and facility safety products, protecting employees and assets from costly injuries and damage. We also deliver automation that reduces manual tasks and risk of errors for a more productive future. Want to discuss solutions for your facility? Our teams are ready to help you roll into a more successful future. Contact us today.